Epsom salt provides a wealth of health and beauty benefits. The body uses magnesium to regulate hundreds of enzymes, and also plays a vital role in many bodily functions. A magnesium deficiency can result in high blood pressure, osteoporosis and migraines. Sulfate plays a role in the formation of brain tissue and improves the body's absorption of essential nutrients. Here are 9 health benefits of Epsom salt. 1. Eases aches and pains. The next time your body has aches and pains, reach for Epsom salt. Its magnesium can alleviate swelling and inflammation. It also has been shown to help lower high blood pressure. Magnesium reduces stiffness, inflammation and most pain associated with arthritis, including gout. This miracle worker assists in bone mineralization, promotes nerve functionality and soothes nerve pain. 2. Aids detoxification. The magnesium in Epsom salt assists in eliminating harmful toxins from the body and detoxifies cells to flush out environmental contaminants. 3. Stress reliever. Epsom salt can relieve stress, which can drain the body of magnesium and increases adrenaline levels. It also can trigger the release and uptake of serotonin, a mood-enhancing chemical in the brain. The proper levels of serotonin regulate anxiety and creates feelings of well-being and relaxation. 3 times a week. Add 1 cup of Epsom salt to a warm bath and soak for 20 minutes. 4. Relieves muscle cramps. Epsom salt is a great remedy for treating muscle cramps or relieving sore muscles after workouts. The magnesium reduces inflammation, which eases pain. This in turn promotes muscle relaxation and healing. Make a thick paste of Epsom salt and hot water. Apply it on the affected area for 15 to 20 minutes for soothing comfort. 5. Improves digestion. Epsom salt assists in the elimination of harmful toxins and waste products from the body and the digestive system. It also works as a laxative in treating constipation. Dissolve 1 or 2 teaspoons of Epsom salt in 1 cup of warm water. Drink on an empty stomach once a day. 6. Adds volume to hair. Epsom salt can add body to your hair. Remove excess oil from your scalp and keep both healthy. Over time, chemicals in shampoos and conditioners can accumulate on the scalp and can result in oily hair, thinning hair and hair loss. The minerals in Epsom salt can repair and strengthen damaged hair. To make a voluminous hair mask, mix equal parts of a warm deep conditioner and Epsom salt. Apply to slightly damp hair. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with cold water. Note: only use this treatment once a week. If you have oily hair, add a little bit of Epsom salt to your shampoo and wash your hair as usual. Do this no more than twice a week. 7. Exfoliates skin. To maintain a healthy, glowing complexion, it's essential to exfoliate once or twice a week to eliminate dead skin cells. Exfoliation also removes excess oil from skin pores so your skin doesn't become fertile ground for itchiness, pimples, blackheads and other common problems. Gently rub a handful of Epsom salt over damp skin to remove dead skin cells. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. 8. Improves heart health. Epsom salt is also heart-friendly. Magnesium helps maintain a normal heart rhythm and healthy arteries. Healthy arteries will mean there is less risk of developing blood clots, plaque buildup and damage to arterial walls. Enjoy an Epsom salt bath 3 times a week to improve your cardiovascular health and reduce the risk of heart attack. 9. Alleviates foot problems. Rough and calloused feet also need tender care. Epsom salt can soften dry, rough heels. Its natural properties work wonders in diminishing foot odor and also improve athletes' foot and other foot problems. Add 1/2 cup of Epsom salt to a foot tub filled with warm water and soak for 10 minutes daily. Symptoms should improve soon. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more tips, subscribe to the channel.